Thank you for coming back for another stimulus update. Uh, Still don't have a whole lot to tell you. As I told you before, they're going to drag their feet on this because it's going to cost them some money. Uh, but good news, places are starting to reopen. The beaches are reopening, the parks are reopening. And it's time for us to start demanding that everything reopens. Uh, this hole is just getting deeper and deeper. We'll never get out of it if we don't make them open up. And we can do that. All we got to do is demand it enough. Enough people go ahead and open. Whether or not it's legal to do it or not, I don't know. But if you can, go ahead and open and get back to work. Y'all, I really believe I really like Donald Trump, but that being said, I think he's got our best interest at heart. But at the end of the day, he is still a billionaire. He don't know what it's like to struggle to pay your power bill or to pay your rent or to put groceries on the table. He don't know what that's all about. He's never had to do that. He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth, and now it's gold. So, do I like Donald Trump? Yes, I do. I'll vote for him to the end of the time if he can run. But when it comes to this, he needs to back off some and let the country get back to normal. Uh, and I believe he will if enough people stands up. Uh, the stimulus package, it sounds good on the surface. And do I want an extra $7,000 in my household a month? Yeah, I do. But at the same time, I want the country to get back to normal. And I'd rather the country get back to normal and people get back to work. Uh, will I go back to work? See, this has not hurt me a bit. Uh, so I'm okay. But there's a lot of people out there that's struggling. There's a lot of people out there that don't know where their next meal is. Uh, so we need to get back open. And the only way it's going to happen, you know how the government drags their feet on everything. This is going to be a long, drawn out process of getting everything reopened properly. No, we don't need all of that. We just need to go to work tomorrow. Just go clock in and go to work. Look at it this way. If it's illegal for all of us to go back to work, they can't arrest us all. There's not enough jail space. So we have to stand up for ourselves. We have to take control of our own lives and our own future, our own finances. Get Uncle Sam out of your pocket. Get Uncle Sam out of your bank account. Do it for yourself. You'll feel better at the end of the day. And remember, all these people that's making these decisions for us, they're either millionaires or billionaires. They don't know the struggle. They have no idea of the struggle. It's time to stand up. Let's get back to work. Let's get this country back in shape. I love you all. Until tomorrow.